trying to grind it. Oh my god. Welcome back to the channel. So today I will be preparing potato leaf stew again. You guys remember the last potato leaf stew I prepared on my channel? If you have not watched it yet, please go and watch it. To Maggie here and my pepper to grind it so all the seed will disappear. You know, this pepper seed is not good. I fried my chicken and fish here already. My wele is boiling. I have some onions and some black pepper. So I'm just going to reduce the gas. I covered it for a while. Yesterday when I went to town, that's when I bought the wele. I thought I was supposed to add salt on it to preserve it till morning, because when I was in Ghana, when I bought wele, I would just put it in the freezer. But here we are in the forest, so what I did, I add a huge amount of salt to wele. And I asked my sister here, she's from Sierra Leone too. So as long as you are from Sierra Leone, we are sisters here. She said I should not even put it under the sun. I'm supposed to preserve it and put it in the water. Now, as you can see, I'm just going to stir it. I've not actually packed here yet, like the usual way I used to pack, because I'm using this place, the red oil. Vegetables are not expensive here, and they don't even have any carrots anymore. So this is the potato leaf. This is how potato leaf is looking like. Imagine this amount of pepper for 15,000, guys. Right? Already. Be good for once in your life, guys. I bought fabric in the market. I want to sew like those palazzo pants. The time is 1:52 right now. I guess I still have time. I can cut it today and finish sewing it tomorrow. Last night I slept so early, so I skipped dinner and I wake up midnight because I was hungry, guys. But the food was already spoiled. I'm now going to throw it away. My pepper. I'm just going to wash those dishes now outside. Time is 3:50 right now. The weather is so chill. Not that that is why I'm hearing something like this because the sun daytime here, the sun is sunny. Everyone is sleeping because the weather is so chill. Guys, this okra soup did be, oh my god, it smells so good and it tastes delicious. I don't want to stir it too much because the fish are fresh. I did not fry the fish, I just steam it. I use the fresh one. That's it's coming. And the shea butter, the color has changed. How could we hope for what is already seen? We ourselves. Oh my god. Can you see my hair? Oh my god. I want to do my edges. I'm using this edge control. My new hair. What do you think about my new hair, guys? I don't know if you guys can hear me clearly. Let me shout for you guys. She knows how to braid, seriously. Guys, have you seen the neatness of this color? Have you seen it? In Sierra Leone, you can subscribe for 1 week and the subscription will finish the same day you subscribe, exact time. But here in Guinea, you subscribe for 1 week. It depends to how you use the data, like it depends to how you use the bundle. Yeah, so that has been freaking me out. When you're here, you spend a lot of money on credit. You guys see the hairstyle I give her yesterday? She's the one that braids my hair. I'll do this hairstyle later after I remove this one, guys. Today is Tuesday, October 1st. Happy New Month to you guys. Most importantly, more subscribers, more views, and more cash out. Yeah, let's clock it down. Our names and my lashes as well. And I am done sewing the pants and I'm also sewing a bag as well. I'll show you guys in a minute. is the back, and this is the front side. Guys, so neat. And I present here. And then they're coming in the care. There are these two sides here and here. So here I've also fixed the strap, but see it looks like this. So I'm gonna fix this side thing. Okay. Now, I'm now about to do my nails. Yeah, so sun is coming from the side. So sticks are so huge, so they cover up the sun. Oh my god, guys, my skin is kind. These pimples here are stubborn. I need to get rid of. Please, guys, can you recommend any skincare products for light skin? Because I don't know what to do with my acne anymore, guys. Seriously. Hmm. You see, and my forehead as well. This side and here. Here is not that much. Even here too. She said thank you. Even though my nails are ruined right now, but I will fix them up. Nene, what are you laughing at? Come let me show. Oh, this is the making to get money. This is what this guy is laughing at, guys. This I don't know if I will have copyright. Eh, eh? Top from Zara, pants from Zara, and I'm wearing my regular slippers. I love the slippers so much. Like, this is the slippers you need for forest camping. This you can go anywhere. Yeah, so this is how this pant is looking.